Top 5 reasons why your car squeals. 1. Brake pads. Most of them are equipped with wear indicators. When the friction layer is worn, you can hear a specific sound, which means the pads should be replaced. A foreign object is another possible cause of the squealing sound. Sometimes a small pebble gets stuck between the surface of the brake disc and the pad. To fix this fault, all you need to do is remove the components from the caliper and reinstall them. Annoying noises produced by brake pads coming into contact with the disc can be a sign that the disc is warped. If this is the case, replacing the brake disc will help. Braking squeals can also be caused by a seized caliper piston. Special caliper repair kits are available to fix the malfunction. In addition, strange sounds can also occur when spare parts are installed incorrectly. Contact a garage to check if they're installed properly. 2. Drive belt. If you hear a squealing sound from under the bonnet after starting the engine, check the condition of the drive belt and its pulleys. Firstly, check the tension of the drive belt. It shouldn't be loose. If necessary, readjust the belt to the value specified in the car service and repair manual. Next, make sure that the belt has no signs of damage, splitting, or other defects. If damaged, it may slip and even tear. If you see any defects, the drive belt should be replaced with a new one. Finally, check the condition of the idler and tensioner pulleys. After removing the belt, there should be no strange sounds or play when you spin the pulleys. Worn parts should be replaced. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. 3. Wheel hub. If the squealing sound is coming from the wheel arch area when driving, check the condition of the wheel bearings. To do this, use a jack on the side of the affected wheel. Use both hands to rock the wheel back and forth. Make sure there's no play or clicking sounds. Spin the wheel manually. There should be no strange sounds when spinning. 4. Plastic interior components. If you hear the squealing coming from the interior while driving, the source of the sound may be the interior components. Over time, the plastic components dry out, deform, and start rubbing against each other. To extend their service life, they should be treated regularly with a special silicone grease. The boot can also be a source of noise. Heavy loads deform the boot liner over time. If this happens, the boot trim parts should be fixed if they're out of place or replaced with new ones if damaged. Squealing can be a result of incorrectly assembling interior parts after car repairs, so special fasteners should be used to secure the components. 5. Door and boot lid hinges. Hinges may produce unpleasant noises when you open the passenger compartment or boot doors. Over time, the hinge mechanisms wear out and make a loud creaking sound. In this case, only installing a new part will help. If the component lacks lubrication and/or is corroded, treat it with a fluid like WD-40.